Hi there, and welcome to the kitchen. I'm Ian Tyson, passionate home cook, and today, with our BRENN-B Farms white potatoes, we're making garlic and Parmesan Duchess potatoes. For today's recipe, here's what you'll need. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Quarter your potatoes. Add the potatoes to a pot of well-salted water. Cook on high heat for 15 to 20 minutes or until fork tender. Cool the potatoes until they can be handled. Peel your potatoes by hand or with a vegetable peeler. Add some cream for extra richness. Mix melted butter with garlic, salt, and pepper. Add your butter mixture and whip the potatoes, or hand mash. Stir in your Parmesan. Add 2 egg yolks and fully incorporate. Add your potato mixture to a piping bag with a large star attachment. On a parchment-lined cookie sheet, pipe small rounds, leaving space for them to expand. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Plate your Duchess potatoes and top with Parmesan and chives or the fresh herb of your choice. Light, fluffy, and delicious, these little puffs are equally good as a party appetizer or a stellar side dish. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Stay tuned for more recipes with BRENN-B Farms. Until then, keep cooking.